Yo, I'm back. I'm back. This is the second time, guys, that I was mute. I don't know. I think it's a different setting that I have. I'm sorry. All right, I'm back here, guys. Welcome to the war zone. So right now we're riding this short. So we were short right here, guys. Short right here on this red line. All right. And we're taking it down right now. Already locked in some profits. And let's just see where this can go. Stop loss is at break even on this short. So just to show you, last night we had our trigger plan. So these are trigger trades. These are our line in the sand. So today we went 2 for 2 on trigger trades. So let me show you. So our long was 419.01 and our short was 414.64. So I'll show you just simple levels. This is one of the ways that we trade as well, doing simple levels trading. Okay, so let me just walk you through this one step by step. Okay, and then we're going to look at some live charting together. All right, so I'm going to hit the replay right here at 9:30. Boom. Okay, so I'm going to go here down to the 1 minute. All right, so the first candle today came down and touched our green line. So this was our entry long in the morning. So we got long right here. Okay, let me go to the live commentary and let me show you guys. So I said long trigger 14.901 fill, send the rockets, let's go. So the two targets I had were 419.30 and 419.57. So we popped right back up here. So first we took a little bit of heat, guys, on the trade, and then we popped right there. So boom, able to take some profits there and some more profits there. So this went for about 2 or 3 points on futures. So if you're looking at the future side, that's about $150 per contract. Not bad at all. So where is it on the futures? So right over here. So here was the little pop in the morning right here. So this gave us about on average, it was about 4 points on average. Okay, so that was the first play of the day. Caught that. Then I moved the stop loss to break even right away because I knew that whenever we come near the previous day's high, so this is one of the reasons why we rejected and we rolled over today. When we come near the previous day's high, it needs to squeeze. If it doesn't squeeze, then what it's doing, it's just trapping traders. And you're gonna see how it trapped traders in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that 1 second. All right, so let me try to fix the mic. All right. Okay. So then I got to break even right there. Got a few scalps, break even. I will take that. Going to swap over to some fibs. So we started to roll down here, guys, and I'm going to swap over to the 5-minute chart. And here on the 5-minute chart, guys, I'm going to show you the fib that we're able to take here. So let me just bring this down right there. Okay. And so you could see over here, guys, we made a new low of the day. So what we did on the second trade is we took the Fibonacci from the high to the low. And we're looking right here on the 618. So the 618 is our magic line in the sand, right? We pop back up here. So it went down a little bit lower. Let me just move the anchor right there. And then oh, my bad, guys. It was on, let me just go back to the chat and find it here. 1 second. Fibonacci live, 618 short. Okay, sorry, guys. It was at 943. So that one's the morning leg, and 618 was filled at 944. Sorry, I'm switching over time frames. That's why I got confused here. So 1 sec. Let me pull it back. So let me go back here. 9:30. There it is. Okay, up here. So on the 1 minute, we did this one on the 1 minute here in the chat. That's when we were able to show it. Derry was the one who called this fib out here. I took the long trigger here, and Derry took this fib. So let me go ahead and draw it. So here's your high to low right there. Okay, so you could see we came back into our golden zone here. So particularly for this trade, we took the short on the 618. We had a protective stop at the high right there. That was our protective stop. And then we're able to roll over. Okay, so we rolled over. And now check this out, guys. We came right back down here, popped up again. Okay, so let me just expand this. We came into the golden zone again. You see that? So we're back into the golden zone again. And then the algo took it back down like that. So that one was crazy. So that one right there was crazy. Like that was intense because the golden zone, the first attempt, we had a little bit of a push down. But the second time when we came back in here, guys, this algo was right here. Look at this. Wham. So that one was crazy. So the first two plays of the day, the trigger long scalp, that wasn't a home run, but it was still green. And then this trade here, this Fibonacci was disgusting. And just to show you the live commentary here, so 618 filled short at 944. We flushed, got a new low of day, boom. So hit me with a 10. Are you following me so far? And then we have one more trade, and then we're gonna get into the live look at the market. All right. So that was pretty crazy morning, I will say. Very, very crazy. And then the last thing we had, guys, was this red line. Okay. So the last thing we had here was this red line right here, which was our short. So if I go back over here to the trigger trades, our short entry was 414.64 right there. So let's watch this now. So we come in. Okay, so this right here, this is clear manipulation. So look at this. This is all manipulation. But this, I just want to teach you guys a little lesson. Don't be trading the breakouts here. Look what happens. We make a new high. See, we barely break the high of the day, and look what happens. Boom, boom, boom. Never get caught over here. If you take this trade right here, guys, you'll blow up your account. Okay. Instead, we like to play the reversal. We like to wait. Let this little crap, basically, that's what it is. Let this happen. Then we look for the next opportunity. So here's our red line, 414.64. We got filled short, and boom, we're here right now, guys. So 3 for 3 so far. Relaxing right now. And we're going to see what's next. So the Discord's at tradingwars.com, brother. Okay. If you're interested, tradingwars.com. So we're going to look for some picks right now. We're going to look for some, we're going to see what's going to happen later on. But 3 for 3, Lotto Friday. I can't complain. Happy that we didn't get into that manipulation there. That candle probably destroyed a lot of accounts. Hit me with a 2. Did you guys get trapped in this right here? This was obviously, there was some announcements, news, whatever, but this happens more often than you think. Trust me. And those type of manipulation can blow up your account. So you just have to be careful. Okay, be careful. Keep the size small on Fridays. Sometimes you need to just keep it small so that if that happens, you don't get destroyed. All right. All right. So 3 for 3 there. So what I'm gonna do with this short, what do you guys think? You think, should I take profits or should I put the stop loss to break even on the rest? I already took about 60% off. Should I go ahead here and put the stop loss to break even? Yes or no? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 1. Hit me with a 1 if I should put the stop loss to break even. Hit me with a 2 if we should take profits right now. What do you guys think? I don't care because I already made profits on the day. So I'm good. What do you guys want to do? Tell me. Let me ask Gary. What do the options go for on that? Over 100%. Okay, so if anyone took this one right here, the options went for over 100%. Okay. All right. So let's go now. Okay, so now what I'm doing here now is I'm going to look for some afternoon plays. Okay, so I'm going to look for some afternoon plays right now. So the first thing that we have on SPY here is from high to low right here. What I'll be looking for is this golden zone. Okay, if it doesn't come to this golden zone, it's not going to be a good trading opportunity for me. I want to wait for a pullback so I can get cheap Lotto premiums here. I can get cheap puts in this zone because I want the options to decay and I want them to come back into the zone so I can get the puts for cheap and then take it back down. Okay, that's the trade that I'll be looking for. Does that make sense? Hit me with a 4. There's no sense on me buying puts already down here because I'll be overpaying and we're going into the afternoon chop. Okay, I already went short over here, so I'm already happy. But down here, you're playing a losing game. Does that make sense? Okay, so we're going to wait here for the golden zone. And what I'm going to do now is go ahead and send me some chart requests. I have to leave in a bit. I have to leave in 10 minutes. So let's look at some charts. I'll set it up for you guys, and then I'll leave and we'll see how they play out. Okay. I'm also going to be posting some lottos right here in the Fibonacci live stock room and lottos. I'm going to be posting some lottos in here for the members in a bit once we get the setups. Okay. So what do we have here right now? What do we have? Anything? So let's look at Boeing. Do I have any Trading Wars Army members in the building? Hit me with a 1 if I have any Trading Wars Army members in the building. Any? Any of you guys here? Look, guys, I told you guys that if you support the Trading Wars Army, okay, I'll do more of these more often. So look, if you want to join the Trading Wars Army, here's the link. Click join right here. Okay, right now we're doing a 20% off your first month. It's $3.99. $3.99. That's it. And I'm going to come out here and show you how to trade live. All right. No games. All right. So support if you can, guys. What else? So Boeing, same thing as SPY right now. So just not interested down here. Not interested down here. So I will say here, Boeing, we had that Fibonacci leg. Is there anything that's looking a little bit different than SPY? That's what I'm really looking for right now. But, you know, just waiting here back for that golden zone. Do we have anything that looks different than SPY? Ramon, what's going on? Trading Wars Army, VASA, Trading Wars Army. Good to see you. Anything else? I want to wait for the pullbacks because that's going to give us the best profitability with the 0 DTE. So QQQs, SPY doing the same thing. IWM, let's see, same thing. So I want to see something that's different. Let's look at NEO here. Okay, NEO, same thing. All of these are doing the same patterns right now. Let's say Microsoft. Same thing. So we want to look for something that's doing something different, right? AMD, same thing. NVIDIA, same thing. Let's go to McDonald's, same thing. So right now, literally everything is doing the same thing. So that's not good because we want, okay, so we have here something, here we go, Oxy. Okay, this is a nice little trade here. So all right, so Oxy, okay, so we have the first Fibonacci leg from high to low right there, went on the 50. So let's pull it all the way down now. Let's look here. So, okay, so for Oxy, what we can look for here, guys, is at the 618 right here. And I want to see some reaction here, even at the 50 right here. Let's go down to the 1 minute chart and see if we can see anything. I would prefer to wait for the 618. So what we can do, set an alert, right click, add alert, create. So it'll send me an alert when we get there to the 618. So we'll be watching that. So let's look at Tesla. Anything here on Tesla? Nope, same thing. Nope. All right. So let me give you guys some of the theory behind this. So let me give you guys some of the theory. Okay. So I've been working on my new strategy here, which is called the Lotto Friday afternoon leg. So if this chops around, let's say this chops around here for another hour, is that going to be good for us or bad for us? Hit me with a 1 if you think it's good. Hit me with a 2 if you think it's bad. Okay. So I want to teach you this strategy at the very least before I have to leave here. I got some meetings here, but what do you guys think? So look, what I'm looking for here, guys, something called the afternoon leg. So we had this push down in the morning. I'm looking for the pullback. Over here, I want to get into 0 days to expire puts in this zone. I'm going to go full risk. So meaning if I'm going to put whatever I put in, I'm willing to lose. And I'm looking for a move like this. Okay. And what I want to do is if it keeps going sideways for another hour or two, it's even better for me. It's even better for me because guess what? It's going to kill the premiums. The premiums are going to get hit. The premiums are going to get destroyed, and then we're going to get them for a cheaper deal. So that's what I'm waiting for. We're looking for this here. Just waiting here. But let me just give you a recap on the points we got on futures in the meantime. So if I go here, so the first 9:30. So let me draw out the futures lines for you, and then just to show you guys. So I know I have a lot of people that are actually trading from Singapore now. A lot of people have joined my room that are trading from Singapore. So what I did is I included the same trigger trades for futures. Okay, so I included this for futures now. So you can trade overnight. You can trade after hours. Obviously, keep the size small. Obviously, know your risk, right? But here we go, guys. So let me just go ahead and recap these two trades. 41.97 and a quarter and 41.53. Okay, so 41.97 and a quarter and 41.53. So I'm going to walk you through this. 41.50. Did I say 53? I think I did. Right there. Boom. So let me walk you through that. Okay. All right. So here we go. So I'll talk to you about the points and everything. So as you can see, guys, this is all overnight. This is 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. So coming into the open, so this was at 8:30, we broke our trigger long. So our trigger broke. So anyone that wants to trade before the market opens, this is how you do it using futures contract. So we broke the green line. That's our trigger. This went for about 20 points. So 20 points is roughly $1,000 per contract. And then intraday, we're able to take it back from here, back up for about 4 points. So the big play we had actually, guys, is this short, 41.53. So right now, this one is still running, but currently we're able to get we're at the peak today. Let's see. At the peak today, guys, about 46 points. So that's over $2,000 per contract. And if you hit that with 10 contract, guys, that's 20K. Easy. That's quick. And what I like about the triggers, you just set them and forget them. Okay. In my description box, you'll see a link to the Interactive Brokers futures trading and conditional orders where you can set these automatically. I have 2 guides in there that you can check it out. All right. But look, guys, right now, I'm not gonna short down here. I already got my short. I'm not gonna chase it down here. I'm just gonna be patient. And if it wants to come back up, that's where I'll be. Right now, we're going into the afternoon and we can just be full of chop. Okay. So be careful. Be careful with that chop. Anything else? You guys see anything that's worth looking at right now? Yeah. And yeah, a possibility is that we just kind of roll over for the rest of the day. That's a trend day. And that's possible. And if that's the case, we might make 100 points on futures today. And if we make 100 points, guys, that's $5 grand. So I'll take that. But, you know, usually you'll see some kind of pullback. Generally, you'll see some kind of pullback, you know, somewhere in the afternoon, because that's just normally how the market works. If it goes straight down, that's what we call a trend day, and that happens only about 10% of the time. Okay, only about 10% of the time. Let's look at cat. Same thing, guys. So it's not really worth it chasing down here at the lows. You know, it's not. I don't want to recommend you guys do stuff dumb. You know, like if there's a trade, we'll take it, but if not, I'm not going to recommend that to you guys. Right? Just got another 10 minutes here with you guys. What else do we have? PayPal. Same thing. So you see everything looks the same right now. Everything looks the same. Let's look at PayPal here. So if we were to do like a quick scalp here, we could take this micro leg here from high to low. That's the micro leg right here. So we're up on the 50. So hit me with a 2 if you guys want to take a shot at this right here. So we could go here. We can go down to the 2 minute. Let's see if we can see anything here. All right. So we're here into the golden zone for PayPal. Okay. So how we could play this is shorting below this candle right there. Okay. Shorting below that candle right there. So we can wait patiently to see if it'll break it. You put your stop loss on the other side here, so you have a tight risk to reward. So let's see here. You can hit this with shares for practice. You don't have to use options, whatever you want to do. I'm just showing you guys some ways. This is how you kind of like investigate what's going on in the golden zone. If we go down to the 1 minute there, okay, we'll stay on the 2 minute, right? So there's a rejection on the 50. So we already rejected the 51. So look how beautiful the fib is, right? We touch the fib, we break it, come right back down. Okay, so here, so we're looking for a play to break this red line first, then take it down, have a tight stop for protection. We have all of these targets. These are all targets on the way down, okay? Put your stop loss on the other side of the bar right there for protection. And let's see if we can get some. So this is not the full Fibonacci leg. This is a tiny one. So this one, you know, might not work as well. The full leg actually comes from the high of the day, but let's see if we could do some kind of scalp here. Okay, remember also we're going in lunchtime, right? So the volume is going to be a little bit light right now. Why not SPY calls right now? Because I already shorted SPY. So like, I don't want to do the opposite of what I'm already doing right now, because, you know, it kind of messes up the mental. So I'm already short there. So there's no need for me to do that. And if you were going to do long on SPY, that opportunity has already, the sale has already shipped. What did I say? The ship has already sailed. Okay. So no chasing. We don't chase here. So let's see here. Can we break through? Okay, right here. We could try that short right there, guys. Okay, so looking to come down here. Protective stop up here. So, and if this doesn't work out, what we can do is come back up to the 618 and then try the 618 instead. So that's how you do it level by level. Right? I just hope it's, you know, this is kind of lunchtime. So I just hope it doesn't chop out. But we could try short right around here. Keep that stop up there for protection. See, is there anything else that we have on the map right now? Let's look at SPY again. Anything? Okay, SPY, you know, still in that no man's land for me. Don't really want to be down there. But if you notice right here, SPY and PayPal are moving very similar, right? So that's what's really going on with the market today. Is like everything is following the index, which sometimes is not the greatest, because you like to look for things that are doing stuff that are different. Let's look at Tesla. Right? So Tesla, the bigger picture on Tesla, what we're waiting for today, guys, is if we can catch those 0 DTE right over here, right here in this golden zone. If we want to pop back right up here, guys, that's where we'll be looking for. Hopefully by in an hour or so, we can come back over here and then we could try it down here, taking it into the close. Those are the best plays there. So see, you know, we are holding this 50 here. This one, yeah, I think I rushed this one because I just took this smaller leg here instead of the bigger leg, but it's okay. We can try again on the 618 here, or we can add on the 618, right? So we're still holding up right now. Oops, still holding up. Haven't gotten out yet, but I really like to take these plays from the 618. We'll wait. We got to take some, if we got to take a tiny L there, we will. All right, so let's watch. Okay, so we'll kill that. We'll kill that, guys, and we'll wait for the 618 now. Okay, we'll wait for the 618. Or if you want to keep the position, you can, and you can average into it over here on the 618. So no luck with that one so far. Remember, I'm still short on SPY. So I'm going to, keep that one going here. So let's watch how we react on the 618. So let's see, can we get up there? So I'm looking right here in this zone. We can also retry here if it breaks this low right there. We can retry one more time. Let's retry it. Let's retry it if it wants to flip, because that could be like an inverted hammer fake out. So let's see if it's going to flip right here. We could try short right here, stop loss over here. So what I'm doing here, guys, just take calculated small losers if you have to, and just keep trying in the golden. So let's try short again here, guys. So there we go. So what I'll be looking for right around here, first target. Come through, move it. Come on, PayPal. There we go. And then we're going to be looking back here, just taking it back down here. Keep going, man. Flush it for me. Send the red, guys. Send me the red right now. Hit me with a 1. Send the energy. Let's go. Break it down, PayPal. Come on. You see what I did there? So I tried one time, didn't work out. Came back again on here, just using the candlesticks in the golden zone. All right, so this one could be a bigger play. This could be a home run. Let's see. So what I'll do right now, get the stop loss to break even for protection. Okay, so now we're protected. We have a risk-free trade. That's how you get a risk-free trade. And let's see. Let's see if it can drop it like it's hot. All right, so we'll check back on that later. Okay, get going, man. Come on, move it, man. We're on stream here, guys. Come on, PayPal. So right there, like I'm just reading the candlesticks in the golden zone. And if you do 3 of those trades, right? Let's say you do 3 of those trades and you get one of them could be like a big home run. So for example, like the short we took on SPY right over here, this is a home run, right? So when you catch that home run, that's going to pay. You see what I'm saying? But you got to take the shot. You got to take the shots. You got to take the shots, keep firing the shots. All right. Keep firing the shots, keep the size small, keep the risk small. When you get that big home run play, you're good to go. And just notice, like I put this trade at a risk-free, right? So I'm up. Okay, so basically the first trade, second trade, squash. That's okay, and we just keep going. We just keep playing it here. There we go. I a lot of the reason why you see all this chop is because it's in that afternoon time. We're in that lunchtime, right? So between like 11 to 1, we get a lot of chop. So what I'll do here is I'm gonna head out now, guys. I wish I could have got a big winner on stream, but that's okay. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna leave an order short on the 618 right there, and we're gonna put the stop loss. Where is the stop loss? So let me draw the bigger leg here on PayPal and SPY, and I'll leave you guys with this, and then we'll head out. So too low right here. Okay, so with PayPal, your money shots, here's your 50, here's your 618. So this zone, you'll be waiting up here to short, and the same thing with SPY. So I have it drawn out for you guys right here. Okay, so I have it drawn out for you guys right there. Yeah, so I'm working on something with Interactive Brokers to show you guys how to do the scalping in real time, but you guys got to show me some support, man. Because there's nobody else that's going to do it. I'm the only guy that's going to do it. So hit me with a like right now. Hit me with a like. Okay, let's do this. I got 5 minutes. So here we go, Oxy. Okay, here we go. This is a nice one right here. Go down to the 2 minutes. So there's 2 ways to trade this. So you can short right on the level and then keep your stop loss up here for protection. So this is if you just want to do a wide limit. So you short here, keep your stop loss up here for protection. That's if you just want to do a limit. Or you can just come down here on the 2 minute and we can look to see what we get. Or we can go down here to the 3 minute and look to see what we get. Unfortunately, I won't be able to stay with you guys because I have a call at 12. Let me just stay with another few more minutes with you guys here. So Oxy looks good. Right there. So right there on that 618, you could see that, the algorithm's already so pushing in here and trying to reject, it's trying to push down already. You see, previously in this area as well. We already had some rejections. So we can try short on Oxy, right? You could do this as a Lotto, full Lotto play. Put the stop loss at the high of the day for protection in case it wants to chop around. All right, so that's the one. I'm gonna go with this one. We're gonna try short on Oxy here and have a stop loss at the high of the day for protection and just see how it plays out. Right, just keep the risk small because you know you could lose obviously, but the upside here, if you hit it, could be huge. And you can already see now that the algo is pushing in on the 618. Do you guys see that? How the algo is trying there? Hit me with a 10. So that one's already money. If you tick that 618 right there, hit me with a 10. Do you see that? Like you see, only with the fibs can you see those hidden levels of support and resistance. You're not going to see that on anything else, but watch how the algo is coming in here. Look at this candle, this big green candle. But as soon as we touch the 618, we start turning back down, right? That's only with the fibs, only with the fibs. All right. All right. So we'll let that go, guys. Look, thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned a little bit. Let's see how Oxy plays out. Hit me with a DM. I'm sorry, not a DM. Hit me on Twitter or leave a comment here and let's see how this one plays out by the end of the day. Hopefully this is a winner. Okay. So we'll see. I got to run, guys. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com. That's the place to be. To learn how I trade the fibs, guys, like I said today on SPY, I'm going to say this really quickly. So I'm going to remove this drawings here. So we had two levels on SPY. So the one 419.01 and 414.64. So let me draw that up for you. So, you know, the morning is always going to be where you get more action, right? And that's why I go live for my members with every morning on live commentary to show them, you know, what's the game plan. So let me just walk you through this one more time before I go. Okay. So we had two levels here. The first one is the green level. This was our long play. So in the morning, guys, we got filled on this right here. We got filled. We came back down. We hit it. We popped up for about 2 or 3 points. It wasn't a home run play, but we still managed to scalp it. I got to break even on it. Decent trade. This trade we took right now on SPY 414.64 is the home run play we're in right now short. And I'm just going to hold it into the close. I'm going to hold it into the close. I have a stop loss at break even. I'm going to hold it into the close and let's see if it can roll over. And then you guys, we wanted to do Oxy together here. So we're just hanging on, chilling on with this one. Okay. I'm going to post some more Lottos in the room here. If you guys want to join tradingwars.com, sign up on the main page. Thank you very much for your time. Conditional orders and futures guides are in my description from Interactive Broker. I hope you guys enjoy your Friday and I'll see you again probably on Sunday. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. All right. Hit me with a 1 if you enjoyed this little bit of a live stream. Thank you very much. Take care.